What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing an epic video. We got the Suburban. We got Katie. It's also Whitebeard. That's the name. We got Josh's little mini bike. That one doesn't have a zipper. Just so you know. And we're gonna be going off-roading today. We're gonna go exploring. Little caravan. Go try out the old square body. And Josh has got to be, you know, we got to keep with the channel of the little mini bike. So Josh is bringing his mini bike. He's gonna drive that out. So yeah, we're gonna get into the time lapse of driving up the canyon. Alright guys, we made it to the trailhead. We got fuel and everything. May have spilt a little back in Redbeard, but you know, it's fine. We're gonna have the bike lead and then I'm gonna follow behind him. And then we're gonna have Whitebeard go out. So yeah, who's ready? He's gonna start his bike up and then we're gonna get going. And we'll jump back to the time lapse. Okay guys, a little update in the thing. We're just pulling out of that canyon. The road really didn't go too long. As you can see from the time lapse, the canyon didn't go very far. The gate was closed, so we are turning around. We're gonna go to a different spot in this canyon. Josh is actually in front of us and then Whitebeard's in front of him. So we're just gonna have him in between us. And yeah, we'll go back to the time lapse. Alright guys, we made it to a little shooting range. We got a couple other Americans out here celebrating too. Not really any holiday, but you know, just gotta celebrate being free. So yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of shooting and everything. And Josh had a lot of fun driving his bike on the road.
I'm a little cold.
And he's a little cold.
A little frozen.
Froze his balls a little bit. But yeah, Katie did it freaking fantastic. I mean, it vibrates a little bit on the lower speeds, which is kind of annoying. We hauled down that canyon. But yeah, we'll catch back up with some other stuff. Yeah, he's doing a sick burnout. But yeah, we are wrapping out of here. We're gonna go up the canyon. America! Let's get that flag view. You go in the front.
What?
Let's get that flag view. You go in the front.
Oh, so move front.
America flag! All right. Oh shoot! Kill that engine. You okay? Oh shoot! Alright guys, we are just barely got Josh's bike in the back. If you can see that, I don't know. He did just barely wreck. If you've seen from that video I tried to slow it down, see what my film has. I don't know, but we're gonna go over to another spot because this canyon's all closed down. Went all the way to the top, hoping that there was a spot up there. But the gate was closed again because it's freaking winter. So we're gonna go to this mountain that even if they close the gate, there's an easy road around it if you have four-wheel drive at all. So yeah, let's get going. There goes Captain Whitebeard.
West Mountain, we go!
Alright guys, we made it to the top of West Mountain. We were hauling, hopefully the time lapse did good. Made it up to the towers and everything. The view is insane. Like, I mean, look at this beautifulness of the truck. Looks so good. Yeah, she did freaking fantastic. We can't get the key out of that or to get it shut off, but you know, it's fine. We're just... Oh yeah, and it honks with its turn signal, so that'll be interesting when we get home trying to get it to turn off. But just the view, and I mean, you can also see the dirt in the air. But just the view up here is insane. I've never actually made it this far. And that sunset is so good. All right guys, we are back at my house. Everyone's here. My mom's coming to join because she's, you know, the best. That's Tanner's car.
Mine.
But wait a minute, you had a different car.
Mom, he's got like 5 cars.
I got a few.
We made it back from the off-roading adventure. Katie did amazing. We were hauling butt. We were in on the dirt roads. They were doing like 45, 50 on some of the things. She was riding great. Definitely gonna do some upgrades this winter. Hopefully you guys can see me. It is a little dark. Let me get back over here. What do you think about your Suburban? How did it do?
It did better than I thought. That's for sure.
I got
mean,
a few.
You know,
I think the only...
You can tell it's on leaf springs, that's for sure.
The biggest thing is that at the end is the key got stuck and we had to,
we just had to
pull the coil out
disconnect
to shut the engine off.
Yeah.
And it's still stuck, but
Other than that,
it's
everything
fine.
was pretty flawless though.
Yeah.
It was pretty flawless.
I mean, we had a lot of problems freaking. Oh, gate's closed. Gate is closed. Fine, we're going over to West Mountain. But yeah, great video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Biggest thing on my channel. Go out and go find your passion.